In this tutorial we're gonna take a sculpture that we made in Sculptris and retopologize it in Max using the StepBuild function in the graphite editor. So here we have our Sculptris model. It's Pluto, it's a very basic one, and the first thing we want to do once we finished our sculpt like this is we want to go over to the reduce triangles brush. What we want to do is we want to optimize this to bring into Max. The triangle counts down in the left corner, and we can just rub this over. And be careful because you will lose some details on certain areas. We're reducing this so it creates less performance hauling when we come to using the StepBuild tool inside Max. Okay, let's just go over this, get the clusters of triangles. We want to do this, but we don't want to overdo it so that we lose detail within our sculpture. We still want to keep the detail that we worked on earlier. I'm retaining my silhouette of the model. You want to carry on doing this until you feel comfortable that you've optimized it as much as possible without ruining the detail. Accidentally messed up some of the detail, I could Control Z that very easily. I'm going very slow over these parts, I'm not rushing it, and I'm not trying to get through it like really fast. I'm just going nice and slow, watching what I do, keeping my eye on it. Okay, we'll work on this bit of the bridge and the nose here. Just around the cheeks. Bottom of the jaw. Let's get right in here. I'm going to work on the nose now. You can see that I have them as separate objects inside Sculptris. This is just how I prefer to work, using separate meshes for different parts. It's a very optimal way to work. Now we're going to do the really rushed ears here. And go back and just touch up the main mesh. Just do a bit of the eyes. Probably get a bit more out of the nose here. And under the mouth in this crease. I lost a bit of detail there, so let's go back. Up on the cheeks. Okay, I think I am happy with the results of that. We've reduced the triangles quite considerably down here. So now what we want to do is we want to go and turn off the symmetry modifier and click OK. And now we're going to click the export button or Control E. I'm going to save this to desktop and call it High. Then make sure it's an OBJ. Click Save. Okay, that's the Sculptris part done. Now on to Max.